Welcome to our bakery. I have a special apron just for you.
Wow, it's so pretty. Thank you. Time to wash my hands. Bubble, bubble, bubble.
Nanu
All
walks
clean.
to the bakery.
Ready to help.
Hi,
Look at all
hi,
these fresh
hi.
treats.
We have colorful bread, buns, cupcakes, and
Nanu
cookies.
washes her
Fresh food makes
hands.
people
Bye
happy.
bye,
It is
germs.
true.
Wow, this bread is so soft.
Baker
One
shows
goes in
the
here,
treats.
and
Yum,
another one
yum,
right
yum. Yum,
This is
yum,
fun.
yum.
Look at my basket.
Bread in the basket.
Look,
1, 2,
it's a
3.
swirl.
1,
Now
2, 3. Oh, we help at the bakery. Yes, we do. Decorate and bake just for you. Helper badges shining bright. Everything is done just right.
Have a nice day.
Cream and sprinkle, sprinkle bright.
Here is your
Cookies
cupcake
on the
box.
shelf. What a sight.
Thank you so
Give
much.
a loaf to a friend. Hello there.
Let's put this right here.
Birthday box for the family. Share and
Perfect
birthday
job.
box
Good job,
fully share and care. Place the
Carefully slide it
tags.
in.
How much is this? Counting
doing
bread.
great.
1, 2, 6. Donuts in a row. Round and
Yes.
sweet. Fruit
2,
on top. What
3.
a treat!
I did it.
Oh, we help at the bakery. Yes, we do. Decorate and
Doing a
bake
wonderful
just
job.
for you. Helper badges shining bright. Everything is done just right. Pack the bags, crinkle crunch. Fresh bread for a tasty lunch. Friends decorate. Happy day, happy day. Put the bread in the window display. Serve the family. Thank you, bye. Everyone claps. Way to go. Way to go. Oh, we help at the bakery. Yes, we do. Decorate and bake just for you. Helper badges shining bright. Everything is done just right. Wave goodbye. See you later. Nanu is a hero.
Yeah! Hi, friends. Welcome to my neighborhood. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time.